So hi guys, so today I am going to do a tutorial, not a tutorial, I mean a review on something. So I'm not going to show the picture yet, but yeah, this is a present from my mom. I think she was going to give me for it for my 10th birthday or for Christmas. But now I'm 10, but she didn't give it to me. Unfortunately, she never gave it to me. So one day my sister just was looking for a book and she found something from Loom. And I've always wanted one of these. It's just a normal thing, but I've always wanted the color to be different because of my favorite color is pink. And yeah, and I will do a fishtail tutorial on how to do a fishtail on a new thing we did a long time ago. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the package. Enough of chit chat. Yeah. So it is this. So it's the upgrade kit because first Rainbow Loom started off with a plastic hook, but now they did a metal hook. So that's what I've been using for Loomigurumi or doing bracelets. It also comes with a mini Rainbow Loom. It's just for doing fishtails, how the picture is, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. It's a really simple thing, but I've always wanted a pink Rainbow Loom hook. Or, yeah, because I always ending like in Loomigurumi trying to get another hook to hold something. So the hook is like this. It's actually pretty shiny, the hook, no matter what the poke. Yeah. So it is the same as the one they give you with the Rainbow Loom. So yeah. And they also give you this Rainbow Loom fishtail thingy, which I've done a tutorial how to do a fishtail because first for when I started Rainbow Loom, the bands I used were cheaper bands, so they always came like with these, but their own way. So now I'm gonna show you how to do this way, and I'm gonna show you like a tip. So because this could be like very sharp at some point. It really says here like warning, sharp edge, plastic and metal. I think this pink is a plastic and this is metal, or sometimes you can get hurt with it. So I'm just gonna tell you a trick. So you have this, and this could also like be useful for like a cap. So you just get your Rainbow Loom hook and then you just slip it on there, and there you go. It's actually pretty nice. It did came like that with my other hook. It came like this. Yeah, so it could actually be very helpful, but it doesn't ruin anything. So yeah, I'm gonna get my bands and I'm just gonna go straight onto a fishtail. Right back. Okay, so I'm back with my metal combo set, which it's not really the combo set anymore because I've already finished all of the bands, and my mom did buy me like 6 packs of new bands. So I got the pastel mix. I also got the blue mix. No, I mean like blue paradise mix. I also got the 2-day fruity mix. I got the ocean Persian bands, which are actually pretty cute. And I got the navy blue Persian. And then I got mother of pearl. So yeah, I'm gonna be using those things. I wanted to do a Rainbow Loom haul of this, but I thought like it was only like 6 packs. So why do I bother doing a Rainbow Loom ROM? And plus I got the flu, so I wasn't feeling that well to make a video. So, yeah. Sorry, I have my bed. I don't know what happened to my bed. Okay, so you're gonna get your rainbow hook, your thing, and I don't know, I'm just gonna get rainbow bands from somewhere. Okay, I don't know, I'm just gonna start with this. So the first thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna get this and then twist it into a figure 8 and then put it onto the other side. I'm not gonna do like a bracelet, but I am gonna show you how to start it. So it has like an X right there. And then you get another band and you're gonna put it on top of it. Push it down. Then you're gonna get another band, put it on top of it, and then push it down. So the way you want it to be is that I'm showing it this way, but whenever you hook, you always want it this way, facing onto you. So after that, you're gonna get your hook. Oh my, can't believe I'm with this real hook. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna undo that because that wasn't the right way to do it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you're going to go on the sides. Okay, so on the sides, you're gonna grab the last one which was the one with the X, and you're gonna pull it over like that. You're also gonna do the same to this. Just showing how to loom, do a fishtail on this new thing, but it was like created a long time ago, so that's why it says new. But it came with the old package, so what can I say? Okay, then you put another band over this. Instead of using their because to do a fishtail, you can use your fingers too. But this is an easier way without like hurting your fingers, because at the end you're gonna be pretty exhausted if you do like 5 bracelets. Then you get the sorry about that. Okay, then you get the last rubber band, pull it over, which is gonna be the yellow one for me. You're gonna get the last rubber band and pull it over. Sorry that I'm not using my webcam. It's because I wanted to do a tutorial. The webcam needs my USB cord, and for the I don't know, I need the headphones because it only gives the microphone to me, and then if well the webcam has it too, the microphone, but if someone like makes a noise, it does hear everything, and with the headphones the microphone is only for me. So well, maybe you can hear someone, but not as much as we were using a webcam. And you need the headphones for the USB cord too. Okay, then you get the last one, you pull it over. Get the last one from here on the side and then pull it over. Okay, so you should have like something growing like that. And there might be like a big rainbow loom haul coming your way. I'm just gonna add purple. Because it's almost gonna be my birthday on August 13th. And since maybe my mom will let me buy something from the Rainbow Loom web store instead of buying something a lot like super expensive on Amazon, because the packs on Rainbow Loom on Amazon, they're like expensive. Like for turquoise, I wanted to do it for the elephant for my mom, but it costs like $7 a packet. While on Rainbow Loom you can get like $3 or $2. Okay, so you should have like something like this now. Okay, and you're just gonna add blue again. I don't know, but I don't think my mom wants to buy anything from the Rainbow Loom web store. I don't know why. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go like this. I also wanted the Alpha Loom from Amazon, but they still don't have it. I think they went out of stock. And I also wanted the instead of that one, I wanted the neon to see if that was available because I knew the outfit wasn't gonna be available before my birthday. So yeah. So I wanted the neon jumbo bucket, and I will be like happy with that, so I can make more. But it turns out they're still not available. They still haven't stocked up yet. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause the video, finish the video right here because, yeah. So this is the fishtail. It is growing. You just keep on doing it until you get to your wrist size, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and I also want to thank for my 10 subscribers, my 10 scribes. Yeah, even though this is a very tiny channel, 10 subscribers means a lot to me. I'm just a 10-year-old turning 11. Okay, so yeah, hope you liked this video, like the review, and I don't know, I'll post something like tomorrow or something. Bye.